Nobody uses a big, heavy old vacuum cleaner like this anymore, right? This lightweight little thing is a sight in most people's homes. But do you know what this one and this one both have in common? They both blow the exhaust right back in your face. They both collect the dirt right where you're cleaning. Now, if I'm going to take a vacuum and do this with it, I like for it to take the dirt out of the space I'm cleaning. And that's one of the long-lasting advantages of a built-in vacuum. Everything I pick up is carried off to the central vacuum power unit. In my case, it's in my basement. That power unit, incidentally, is much more powerful than any of those portable vacuums. And have you noticed I'm not having to listen to it? But before I get ready to vacuum, and after I'm done vacuuming, I have to take this long hose and store it away somewhere. That was always just a trade-off of a built-in vacuum, even going back to the dawn of built-in vacuums. These 1910s era central vac systems were much better than the portable vacuums of their day. And some of them are even more powerful than the portable vacuums of today. And you know what? These all still run. There's no denying that built-in vacuums have some benefits over portables. But people oftentimes don't want to have to deal with this. So they'll have a little portable vacuum that they can get out and quickly vacuum 5 minutes before company comes. How do you merge the convenience of a lightweight portable with the benefits of a built-in? The answer to that is the retractable hose system. Each one of these wall inlets contains a hose. I can pull out a short amount of hose for quickly vacuuming spilled coffee grounds, or I can pull the whole thing out. This holds 40 feet of hose inside the vacuum piping. That hose is all cloth wrapped so it protects your corners and your furniture. Now I've got vacuum power on tap to clean all sorts of things. You know, most people just vacuum their floors and their carpets. But I vacuum all kinds of things. Every central vac system comes with tools for above the floor cleaning. Sometimes I'm vacuuming everything but the floor. I take my round brush and I go around and just go over all these places that catch dust. You know, the more dusting you can do with a vacuum, the less of that dust is being smeared around and stirred up. All this dust is just getting sucked in, and none of the exhaust is coming back into the room. So not only am I not having to listen to my vacuum, I'm not having to smell it either. And here's the best part. When I'm done, I'll put the wand away in a closet. The hose puts itself away. Five seconds later, and I'm done. In my house, I have 4 of these retractable hose stations. 2 on the main floor, 1 in the lower level, and 1 out in the garage, which is super, super, super handy. Not only for vacuuming vehicles, but for vacuuming the cobwebs out of the corners, and I vacuum the garage floor too. Keep in mind, the less dirt that's in the garage, the less dirt comes in the house.